Lyrics are the voice of a song. They convey the emotions, tell the story, and connect with the listener on a deeply personal level. A melody can capture your attention, but it is often the lyrics that stay with you long after the song has ended. Some people write the lyrics first and then build the song around them. Others write the song and then craft words to fit. I personally tend to write a wealth of lyrical material, most of which could probably stand as prose or poetry if need be. Then, once I have a melody or a song starting to take shape, I bring out my folder of lyrics. I literally have hundreds as printouts and Word documents on my hard drive. Then I leaf through them to find a rhythmic structure that fits the flow of the song. But you can work any way that suits you. Every song tells a story. It could be a tale of love, an introspective journey, or a commentary on society. As a songwriter, your challenge is to craft lyrics that resonate, that make the listener feel something. Ask yourself, what story do I want to tell? What emotions do I want to convey? Rhyme and rhythm give lyrics their musicality. They make lyrics catchy and memorable. While there are classic rhyme schemes like AABB, such as this, or ABAB like this, don't feel confined. Play with words, experiment with rhythms, and find what feels right for your song. Now, every writer faces writer's block at some point, but inspiration is all around us. It could be a personal experience, a line from a book, or even a conversation you overheard. Keep a notebook or a digital note-taking app handy. Jot down ideas, phrases, or words that strike you. Over time, these snippets can evolve into fully fledged lyrics, and if you are really struck, there are many options. Stand up and move about, or play with a pet. A break is often all it needs. Work on another part of the song, or even a different song entirely. There is no reason this song has to be completed today. Well, usually anyway. Do you have other parts? Why not just repeat words until the new ones come to you? Sing la 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 or other placeholders to get a feel for the melody first. You could even jump on the internet and go to ChatGPT or Microsoft Bard. Other AIs are available. Give them a subject and what you've already created and whatever else you can think of, and ask them for a variety of suggestions to choose from. I've done this once, and although I did not take what it gave me word for word, what it did suggest triggered ideas, and I finished the final verse in a few minutes after that. Remember, lyric writing is deeply personal. It's a reflection of who you are and what you feel. Be authentic, be genuine, and don't be afraid to bare your soul. It's this vulnerability that often leads to the most powerful and relatable lyrics.